Alright, so this pile of garbage here, actually it used to be my workbench. If you watch my videos from a long time ago, I had a saw table that I built, and once I started building these hot rods, I kind of neglected it and put it outside, and yeah, that's what happened. So I figured I'd recycle the wood and build some car stands out of them. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut each piece. I don't need to, put subtitles and directions here. You just need to cut 16 inches out of each one of these. So as many as you can get out of each 2x4 and out of this pile of junk. We'll see how many we can get. It's like cutting through bars of gold. So now I can finally get back to working on the 48 again, and I freed up a lot of room, and I can still work on the 28 out there now that the engine and training are mounted and I don't need to be on level ground. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for watching.